Happy Thursday, Facebook. Hope you had a great Wednesday yesterday. We had our morning trainings, and I completely spaced it telling you that we had our morning trainings yesterday. We always have a very in-depth training by a good friend, Chris Fresh. For those plumbing companies out there, check him out. He's fantastic. He's really helped us bring our average tickets up. He really teaches us how to serve the customer to the best of our ability. How to pick the right flex. What do I mean by that? Stay tuned. We're gonna talk about that. First of all, if you're watching live, type live. If you're watching replay, type replay. If you're watching it on Facebook, or not Facebook, but YouTube, I've not yet downloaded it, so that's me holding myself accountable. I'll get to it. My plan is tomorrow sit down and just do nothing but. So we'll get it taken care of. What do I mean by what's the right flex? Now, there's been several occasions now that myself or Tanner have gone into a home and we've been talking to an individual about the gas or their water heater or something else, and we've noticed the wrong flex on the water heater. That's right, the wrong flex on the water heater. So I'm going to flip you around. I'm going to briefly describe what I'm talking about here. For those do-it-yourselfers that want to do their own water heater, that's fine. I'm not going to diss you on you or anything like that. But make sure you're using the right stuff. This could be very dangerous. Could be very costly to your family. We